Hello, my dear students. Today we will learn sums on area of similar triangles. Exercise 6E, page 197, Ambush Mathematics book, class 10, or Moderns ABC of Mathematics, class 10. Look at question number 1, sub number 1. Triangles ABC and DEF are similar if area of triangle ABC is equal 9 cm square, area of triangle DEF equals 64 cm square and DE equal 5.1 cm. Find the value of AB. Let us draw the triangle ABC and DEF to understand the sum better. So here is the triangle ABC and here is the triangle DEF. We can say the side AB and side DE, they are the corresponding sides. So we can write, since triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, these two triangles are similar, it is given. Now we have learned the theorem number 18. Ratio of the area of two similar triangle is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding side. Ratio of the area of two similar triangle. So this and these are similar. So we can write, therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF. So this is ratio of the area of two similar triangle is equal to what? Square of the ratio of their corresponding side. If we look here, side AB and side DE are corresponding side, we have marked here. So we can write, from triangle ABC we take the side AB, and from the triangle DEF corresponding side is DE. Now square of the ratio of their corresponding side, so AB square by D square. Now we can write, see, area of triangle ABC is given 9, so we can do here, value of this is 9, and area of triangle DEF is given 64, we can write here 64, value of DEF is equal, value of AB we have to find, so AB will remain as AB square will remain as AB square, and D square, DE is 5.1. So put the value of DE 5.1 and then square. Now see, this 9 by 64 is equal AB square by 5.1 whole square. So this 9 by 64 also write as whole square like here. Suppose 9, it is 3 square and 64 is what? 8 square. We can write together 3 by 8 whole square. Instead of giving 3 square and 8 square separately, we can write together also 3 by 8 whole square is equal, this side also we will give this square together, AB by 5.1 whole square. So instead of AB square and 5.1 whole square, we write this to square together, AB by 5.1 whole square, and say now mentally the square and square from left and right cancel, so we get here 3 by 8 is equal AB by 5.1, and now we cannot cancel, you see, here and here we cannot cancel, so let us multiply, cross multiply. This side will be 8 into AB, 8AB, and this side 5.1 multiplied by 3, so it is 3 into 1 is 3 and 3 into 5 it is 15. After 0.1 number, so here 15.3. 8ab equal 15.3. So next line, let us do it here. Or AB is equal this 15.3 divided by this 8. So 15.3 if we divide by 8, we will get the answer. So AB is equal 15.3. Let us divide here in rough. 15.3 divided by 8. One time is 8. Subtract here 7, bring that 3. Here is decimal. 9 times 72. Then it is 1. For point suppose 0. Then only one time it is 8 only. Then 2. So keep up to 2 decimal. So AB equal 1.9.1. That means we can write, therefore AB is equal 1.9. This is smaller than 5, we can neglect it. So question is find the value of AB. AB is 1.9. Question given in centimeter, we have to write here centimeter, and that is the answer of the sum. So that is the answer of the sum. Let us look at question number 2. Question number 1 sub number 3. Question number 1 sub number 3. Question number 1 sub number 3. See what is given. The same triangle ABC and DEF are similar. So AC is 6 cm, DF is 7 cm. Find the ratio of triangle ABC and DEF. Say this is the triangle ABC and this is the triangle DEF. We draw the picture. We draw the figure to understand better. Now see, AC is 6 cm. This is the AC and DF is 7 cm. So from the picture we understand AC and DF, they are the corresponding side. Question is find the ratio of area of triangle ABC and DEF, and these two triangles are similar. So we start in the same way. Solution. Since triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, so what will happen? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So corresponding sides are AC and DF, because value of AC and DF is given, so we take this AC and DF. So it is AC square by DF square according to theorem 18. Square of the ratio of their corresponding side. So now is equal, see, value of AC is 6, put here the value square, and DF is 7, give square. So multiply here 36, 6 square, 6 into 6, 7 square is 7 into 7, 49. So if we write this in ratio, it is 36 ratio 49. So we can write the answer. Hence area of triangle ABC ratio area of triangle DEF is equal 36 is to 49. Question asked, what is find the ratio of areas of triangle ABC and triangle DEF. So this is, hence to ratio area of triangle ABC ratio, this is to area of triangle DEF is equal 36 is to 49. That is the answer of the sum. So we will do now Question number 3. Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF and their areas are respectively 100 cm square and 49 cm square. If the altitude of triangle ABC is 5 cm, find the corresponding altitude of triangle DEF. So let us draw two triangles ABC and DEF like this. So ABC is the bigger triangle, its area is 100 cm square, and DEF is the smaller triangle, it is 49. So this is drawn bigger. To ABC and DEF, they are the similar triangle. So we can write, since triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, and see, if the altitude of triangle ABC is 5 cm, so let us draw the altitude of triangle ABC. From A, draw a perpendicular on BC. So this is the altitude, say we name it suppose AP, and from D draw another altitude on EF for the triangle DEF. Let this is DQ. So we can write, let AP and DQ are the altitudes of triangles ABC and DEF respectively. And here the altitude of ABC is given 5 cm. It means this AP is 5 cm. We can write, and AP is equal 5 cm. We have to find the corresponding altitude of DEF, that is DQ. We can write DQ, say question mark. So we will follow the area theorem number 18, ratio of area of two similar triangle. So here, therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal square of the ratio of their corresponding altitude. Here is about altitude. So ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to ratio of square of their corresponding altitude. So if we take from ABC altitude AP, then from DEF altitude is DQ. They are the corresponding altitude, and square of the ratio of their corresponding altitude, AB square by DQ square. So what we have to find? We have to find the corresponding altitude DEF. Already DQ question mark is given, DQ. So we write here, see, area of triangle ABC is given 100, right here 100, and area of DEF is given 49. This is 49. AP value also given 5. We can write here 5 square, and DQ we have to find, so DQ square remain like this. And we have done one sum. 100 is the square of what? 10, and 49 is square of what? 7. So we can write together 10 by 7 whole square, and here is 5 by DQ whole square. 5 by DQ whole square, and mentally this square and square cancel. So we will have the next line, say I write it here, it is 10 by 7 is equal 5 by DQ, and let us do cross multiplication. So this side 10 DQ, 10 into DQ 10 dq, this side is 7 into 5, 35, or dq is equal what? If 10 dq is 35, dq is 35 divided by 10. Therefore, we can write dq is equal 3.5. 35 by 10 change into decimal. So in denominator after 1, 1 0. So in the numerator after decimal 1 number. So it can be 3.5. Question given in centimeter. So this will be centimeter. Find the corresponding altitude. We can write the answer. Therefore, the required corresponding altitude is 3.5 centimeter. That is the answer. The required corresponding altitude is 3.5 centimeter. That is the answer. And look at next question. Next question. Next question. ABC is right angled at A. Triangle ABC is right angled at A. Here is the triangle ABC we have drawn. Suppose you draw the triangle ABC. Right angle at A. Here is right angle. We can show the right angle by this way. This is the right angle. Angle A is right angle 90 degree. And AD perpendicular to BC. This is AD drawn on BC. So this is the symbol of perpendicular. So AD is drawn perpendicular to BC. If BC equal 13 centimeter, BC is 13 centimeter and AC is 5 centimeter. This AC is 5 centimeter. Question is, find the ratio of the areas of triangle ABC and triangle ADC. ABC, this is the triangle, and ADC, this small triangle. We have to find the ratio of the areas of triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Actually, in a right triangle, when we draw a perpendicular from right angle on opposite side, then we get another two small triangle, and this small triangle ADV and ADC, they are similar, and also each of them is similar to triangle ABC. And we can prove also, say, let us write it like this. We can write it like this. So it is ABC is right angle at this, BC is this. So we can write triangle ABC solution. Triangle ABC is right angled at A. Triangle ABC is right angle at A and AD is perpendicular to BC. So since AD perpendicular to BC, this AD is perpendicular to BC, then see what will happen. This small triangle, look at this small triangle ADC and the big triangle ABC. So let's write here, therefore in triangles ABC and ADC, find which angles are equal. In triangle ABC, angle A is right angle. Full name of this angle A will be BAC. We can write angle BAC is equal, when we draw this is perpendicular, so in triangle ADC, angle D is right angle. So this is ADC, full name. ADC, they are equal because they are 90 degree. And again, if we look the triangle ABC, one angle is C, shortly if we say, and triangle ADC, one angle is C. So we can say the short name also will do angle C equal angle C because they are the common angle. So now what we see between triangle ABC and ADC, two angles of the first triangle are equal to two angles of the second triangle. So these two triangles are similar. So we can say therefore triangle ABC similar to triangle ADC. Why are they similar? Can write by AA similarity, angle similarity, angle similarity. So if this triangle ABC and ADC are similar, then their ratio of the area of these two triangles is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding side. So we can write therefore area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADC is equal square of the ratio of their corresponding side. From triangle ABC, if we take the side BC, BC is the hypotenuse, here is the angle A, right angle, and from triangle ADC, the hypotenuse is AC because D is the right angle from here opposite. So BC and AC, they are the corresponding side. So from triangle ABC, we take the side BC, and from triangle ADC, we take the side AC. So this is what? Square. This is ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding side. Now I continue with here, say the value of BC is given. What is 13? So I write here 13 square, and AC is given 5. I can write here 5 square. Now multiply this 13 by 13. 13 square is 13 into 13 is 169 by 5 square is 25. And if we write this in ratio, it is 169 ratio 25. So we can write the answer. Find the ratio of the areas of triangle this and this. So last we write therefore area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle ADC. This ADC is equal, what is 169 ratio 25. 169 is to 25, and that is the answer. Find the ratio of the areas of triangle ABC and ADC. Ratio of this is area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle ADC is equal 169 is to 25. That is the answer of the sum. So okay.